Oh, good morning. This is what there is inside the Japanese refrigerator and the freezer. There are juice. Yesterday, my wife went to Costco in Yokohama City, buy the pizza and the Italian cheese. Beer, this is from a lot of alcohol, many alcohol, and dressing for salada, many dressing saladas. So this is ponzu, and mayonnaise, of course, and milk for sugar milk. This cola, of course, some German sausage, marmalade, and the cheese keppa because I'm Italian. The eggs, the beer again, yogurt, eggs, and many things in the refrigerator, hamburger, and just some vegetable.